In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Venmo Can't Request Money. So if you're having this particular problem, don't worry because this user also have it. As you have noticed, this user is actually having this problem wherein Venmo is not letting them request payments. So in order to fix this, what we can do is we can head over and then give them this particular problem. If you have the same problem, what you need to do is you need to update Venmo. So as you've noticed, this user has the same problem and it doesn't make sense. So you just need to update your Venmo, and after the app has been updated, it will start working again and you can head over and then request money again into your actual Venmo. So from in there, just update the account because this will remove any bugs or glitches that was happening preventing you to request money. And from there, it should be good to go. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out with everything you need.